You were so young and so full of dreams. You thought you could accomplish anything. I remember you that way. It was us against the world. We were a gang of arrogant, excited kids. That's how I remember you. I remember you, I remember you. Young and full of dreams, full of dreams.